In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a store within Outram Enterprise. Just select Stores from the menu. Now, stores can be used for everything from table reservation through to guest surveys through to in-room dining. They can be used for any kind of requests. We're going to build a small in-room dining store and we're going to call this the Burger Shop. So all I need to do is give a title and a description which will appear for the guest. Then we need to put in a revenue code. Now this is very important if we're going to do the billing to the PMS to make sure the revenue is posted correctly within the PMS. Then when an order is placed, where will it go? So we can fill out an email address for somebody within the hotel or even somebody externally so they can handle the order. Next, is it a shopping cart? Now shopping cart allows us to build multiple items within our purchase before we send that to the hotel. So we're going to have a shopping cart. Is it free or is it paid? For example, table reservation may be free, so we don't want to charge for every reservation. And do we wish to do the posting to the PMS, or will the hotel staff handle that separately? Okay, let's create our store. There it is on the bottom of the list. Let's go into our burger shop and start putting in some burgers. So now at the bottom you'll see we have the ability to add products. So let's go in there and add a new product to our burger shop. So we click on new and this will add our first product. So let's put in a burger here and we'll call this the house burger. And again, we need to give a description so the guest knows what they're buying. Every item in the store will have a price unless it's a free store. So in this case, let's put 17 and the currency in this case is euros, and we're going to make this active straight away so I don't need to come back. Let's pick a picture for our item, and here we have some pictures already stored, so I'm going to select my burger image. And now that will be connected to this house burger. Okay, so now we've got our item, price and a picture. Within every item within the store we can have options. So let's build an option for the burger. Now this could be everything from do I want to have fries, do I want to have a drink? In this case let's put in some cheese options. So first of all you say what is this option? So this is an option for cheese. So again we give it a title and we give it a description. And it's up to you whether these options are going to be compulsory or optional. So you just select that using the checkbox below. So in this case it's optional. You don't have to add a special kind of cheese, but in this case we're going to allow the guest to choose themselves. And then we can put in a little message to guide the guest through this process. Again, this can be used for any kind of options within a store. Okay, so there we have cheese as an option. Once we've created our option, we then need to give the guest the contents for that option. So what are the possibilities that you can select under that option? So let's add two different cheese types. So I'm going to add new choices. And again, you give a title and a description for that choice. Then it's up to you whether you're going to charge extra or less or charge the same for that choice. In this case, we're going to charge more because we're adding an item. So we're adding cheese. So we're adding €3 if you choose cheddar. So let's put that in and then that's stored. And then let's put in another option just to show you again how this process goes. So let's put in mozzarella. So we'll have cheddar and we'll have mozzarella. And again, let's put in a title and a description so the guest knows what they're choosing. And the cheddar was €3. Let's make the mozzarella €4. Okay, so you'll see the difference. Okay, so we've added our choices to our option within our product. So let's save and close our store, and let's show you how you can add that store to the user interface on the guest TV. So we go into TV menu and let's add our store under the guest services icon, which is up in the top right there. So guest services, we pop into the edit service option. And here we can see all of the items already under guest services. So we want to add our store down there at the bottom. So there's our shop. So we drag that in, and then we need to pop into the settings for that item. And in here, we need to link to our new store. So if we go to the bottom of the list, there's our new burger shop, and we select that, and you'll see the title and help text have come across automatically. And now let's put an image for our store. So this is the head image, the main image for the store. And we're also going to use the same picture in this case. So there we have our image, which will appear in the menu when the guest navigates down to Burger Shop. Now, before we put this live in the room, what we can do is go to our virtual TV within Otrim Enterprise. And this enables you to have a look at how the guest will experience the TV system and avoids you having to have a TV on your desk or having to run up to the room to check how things look. So here you see the guest experience. Now we can navigate using the remote control, or we can just use our mouse and click on the tiles within the TV menu. So let's pop into guest services, and at the bottom of the list, yes, there's our burger shop. So as we navigate down, there's the burger shop. So let's go in and order a couple of burgers. So we select the shop, and this will then open the list of products. And there's the house burger which we've created. Let's buy a house burger by clicking on that. It's 17 euros, and we can add our options. So there's the two options that we created, cheddar and mozzarella. So let's pick mozzarella. That's added 4 euros to our order, 21 euros. As this is a shopping cart store, we can add multiple items. So let's add a new burger. So we're going to order 2 burgers in total. Let's pick another cheese option this time. So we'll take cheddar, and you'll see that this is a different price. So we've added 3 euros to make a total of 20. So in total, we have a 21 euro burger, a 20 euro burger with a grand total of 41. If we're happy, we hit send order, and the order is now sent. So this is exactly how it will work for the guest. Now that we're happy, we can hit publish, and we're ready for the store to go live. At the very bottom of the settings for the store, you'll see we have 2 new options, which is use custom messages and use custom opening hours. And this enables you to make some quite handy changes. For example, under custom messages, you can change the text that pops up on the screen when the guest is making their order. So for example, if it's a table reservation, you're not going to say confirm order, you're going to say confirm reservation. So you can make these changes on a store-by-store basis. And the same goes for opening hours. Not all stores will be open at all times. So maybe your guest survey is open all the time, but your breakfast kitchen is only open in the mornings. So day by day, you can put in whether a store is open or closed or has a timed opening period. And finally, what message will the guest get when the store is closed? So you need to give them a nice message to guide them further in their process. So in this case, we've said, call 9 for assistance. Okay, that's our burger shop ready to go.